In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom audiences in Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once you're there, sign into your Google Ads account and give it a moment to load completely. It's important to wait until the dashboard, or overview page, is fully visible before moving on, so all menu options appear correctly and you can navigate without any confusion. When the dashboard is ready, look to the top navigation bar and click the Tools icon. This is where Google Ads groups together several important account features. From the menu that opens, select Shared Library, and then click Audience Manager. This is the area where you can create and manage audience segments for your campaigns. Inside Audience Manager, click the plus icon to create a new audience. When prompted to choose the audience type, select Website Visitors. This option allows you to build a custom audience based on how people interact with your site, which is especially useful for remarketing and more targeted ad delivery. Next, enter a clear name for your audience segment. Choose something descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple audience lists. After that, select the customer type you want to target. Then define the segment membership criteria by specifying what kind of visitors should be included. You'll now choose the website pages or actions users must complete to become part of this audience. This step is important because it determines exactly who gets added to the segment. For example, you may want to include visitors who viewed a certain page or completed a specific action on your site. Once that's selected, configure the audience options and conditions so the segment matches your targeting goals as closely as possible. After that, set the membership duration for the audience. This controls how long a user remains in the segment after meeting the conditions. You'll also have the option to include eligible past visitors using the pre-fill setting, which can help populate the audience more quickly if that option fits your strategy. Then enter a description for the audience segment. This can help you or your team understand the purpose of the audience later on. Before saving, review all of the audience settings carefully to make sure everything is accurate and aligned with your campaign goals. Once everything looks good, click Create Segment to save your custom audience. Then wait for the new audience to appear in Audience Manager. After it shows up there, your segment is ready to be used in your Google Ads targeting. Thanks for watching.